Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome to a video today. As you guys can see in the thumbnail, I have a Ipsy versus Ipsy unbagging. I have mine and my sister's, and today I'm going to see what she gets and what I get, and I'm gonna start with mine. So yeah. So let's get started so this video won't be long. I'm just gonna get started. And again, the background noise, I'm sorry. Ooh. Okay, so and I'm not gonna be trying them on just because it's gonna be a longer video. So yeah. It's a really nice bag. I really like it. Okay, so it says now in season fresh spring beauty. And the card looks like that. Just looks like this. Okay, so the first thing is by Tarte. And it's a base tape hydrating primer. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. I'm excited to use these because we're excited to try this. I've been getting samples and I just like trying them. It's easy, like that you don't even have to buy new ones, you know? So I'm excited to use this one. Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. And Tony Moly, that's the brand, and it looks like that. So yeah, I'm excited to use it as well. It says when washing your face, work into a leather and gently massage onto wet face, then rinse off with warm water. Ooh. I'm so excited for this one. This is an Ofra highlighter, and I chose this one because they gave me the option to choose one of my products, but I never thought it was going to be a full size. Look, it's a full size. I'm excited. I've been hearing a lot of good things about these highlighters. That's beautiful. I love it. There's an Ofra highlighter rodeo drive. Okay, so this is the next thing, and it comes in a box. It's a nail polish from Pretty Woman. In my last Ipsy bag, I got this nail polish, and it came like if someone used it and it never opened. Like, it's so hard, like it's not gonna open. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I hope this one's not like that. And this is in the color Berry Wild. Ooh, cute. Now I'm gonna be able to do my nails because I haven't done them in a while. The last thing in the bag, ooh, look, it has green inside. It's this Nomad, I think it's an eyeshadow. Duochrome Iced Yellow Eyeshadow with extra fine pigment infused with hemp seed oil to help energize skin. So it looks like that. And that's what it looks like. It's like a greenish white, and it looks like this. Ooh, it is intense. Almost looks like the highlighter. I really like it. So that's the last thing I got for my bag. So now for my sister's, this is the first thing she gets. And she gets Ramos beauty brush. It smells kind of weird, but yeah, that's the brush. And this is what her bags looks like. She got the same Tarte primer as me. I got this one. She got this one, the Nomad. But the shade she got is Antels, something like that. Ooh, but that's pretty. So it's the same little thing. Ooh, it's a nice color. Swatch it. She'll be okay with it. And I'm gonna swatch it here. So that's what it looks like. Okay, she also got a nail polish, and it's the same color. And the last thing she got is this body butter cream, triple citrus blend from the brand Delectable. So it just looks like that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, let me know if you guys want me to do this the next month. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.